Hello everyone. So over here I have a question which says 27. Remove the element and let's read the question first. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val and nums and that too in place. So okay, so we are supposed to change the array itself and not make another copy of it. The order of elements may be changed and return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Okay, consider the number of elements in num which are not equal to val to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Return k. Okay, and then they said this. Okay, so let's look at the examples. 3 2 2 3 val 3. So output is 2 nums. A function should return for the first two elements being 2. It does not matter whether you leave beyond the return k, hence they are underscores. Okay, so it doesn't matter if we delete the element also, right? And plus I'll be trying to solve this in C++. So hence our, yeah, so it doesn't matter. So it's basically, they say you should make it, yeah, if I look into the tags, what does it say? Arrays and 2 pointers. Well, I don't think we need 2 points for this. If we just delete the elements, then what? Does this, okay, let's look at the editorial. Okay, I can't look at the editorial. Perhaps the discussions. Okay. This 0 1 4. Okay, so it got replaced by this 2. Then there's another 2 over here which got replaced by a 0. Okay, so what I can feel is that the question it wants us to actually change it. Like, uh, they particularly want that, um, we we get 2 pointers, we change those and we replace those, because I had another idea. What if I delete the freaking part? I could delete also, right? Let's see. Okay, apparently I've already done this question, but so CD. Okay, I haven't done. There's nothing, so probably I can do this. What if I remove the element? I just wanna try. I know it might not work, but let me just try it, right? Because there's no harm in just trying it. So what I'm gonna do is mm, for Let me just try if this works, right? So basically what I've done is I have made the k, which is particularly the value that we wish to get. Then I start a loop which is from the start of the nums. I use the iterator I from the beginning to the end, and if the value of the iterator is equals to val, I raise and I take one step back. It continues the iterator until the end, and if not so, uh, it just does a k plus plus, and towards the end, no, this thing needs to come at the end. Sorry. Okay, yeah, it's better to actually write it out right this. Okay. Yeah, so let's see if this works. What I'm gonna do is vector int nums dot push like this 3223 3. Oh shit. F3 R2 R2, right, and then I go int ans equals to remove element nums comma 3, and for int I in nums cout I cout value of k is ons handle. Let's see if this works. Okay, there no. Okay, I've just got warnings but no errors. Oh, that's good. Less dot out is 2. Huh? Why didn't it delete it? Let's see if I can. Hey, what if I? As in, I want to output a vector and then int. Okay. I have a better way actually. Okay, this works actually. If I so the code works. See, but what I'm unable to understand is why is it not. Okay, let me just try to put it in the result part. Huh? Oh, that's weird. Uh, okay, the solution apparently worked. That's good, right? Okay, this works. I'm quite surprised, and it's actually a good solution too. Let me look at other solutions also. Okay, this works. Okay, they just took the first element, last element. Ah, sweet. Okay, this is also a very nice method. They didn't remove the element. What they did was they started k, and then since the k was incrementing, so this is actually a sweet method. Nice. This works. Yeah, let me just write this up a bit as to what I did. So insert. Okay, I did the same thing, but just a bit of a different fashion. Mm, start. Well, I suppose this is it. This should do the job. It worked, and I'm gonna see if I could write it up in Python or Rust actually. So let me just upload this, or I can, let me see if I can write it up in Rust also, because I've been meaning to learn Rust as well. Okay, so WQ, and I might be using a bit of help in while coding in Rust. So yeah, and let's see how it goes. RS. Public function remove element nums vector 32. Okay. Parse vec height 32. Rust. Hmm. Hey, let me just use Mistral. How to parse a vector in Rust using a loop. I'm gonna be using Mistral. I think that should work. For loop on vector in Rust. Okay, we can use this thing, right? So let's just copy this code here and let's see if it works. Rust c remove element dot rs ls remove element 24/5. Okay, this thing works. So what just happened over here is that, let's see if I do r3 r2 r3 r2 r2 actually, and then I remove the threes, then I do rust c okay, get size of rust. Okay, so if I just do nums dot retain let's see if it works. Okay, there's an error. Okay. Does this work? How do I how to cast use size to I32 rust? Okay, wow, that actually worked. I'm quite surprised. Okay, this works too. And I learned something new as well. So, thank you everyone. And I'll just put up the code. Actually, it's just a one liner as you may see, so that